Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marjeline Bahade, 24 years old from Philippines. I am a high school graduate with two kids. My firstborn is 6 years old boy and my secondborn is 2 years old girl. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years here in the Philippines. I serve of 4 members of the family, one couple with their 2 children, 4 years old and 6 months old. My main duties are taking care of the baby, changing her diaper, bathing, sterilize the bottles, and feeding her. And I also do the household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and wash the dishes. To all prospective employers, please choose me as your domestic helper, and I promise to follow the rules and regulations in your house. And I can assure you that you can trust me because I am an honest, reliable, hardworking, and dedicated to my work. I hope I will serve you soon, sir and ma'am.